Alright guys, this is how the hair looks curl. Listen, that clipping was in slow-mo, so you guys missed it, and this is like 2 hours later again, and the curls are still in. So you need to grab this wig. Make sure you guys check Beauty Forever Hair website, and you can visit and purchase the same wig. It's 24 inches. Also, the link will be in the description, so it's gonna be easier for you guys. But I love the curl. Look at the ends, so you guys know, even though it's a yaki texture, the curl is there. Okay, so it's not disappointing at all. And let's talk about the lace, because sis, look at that. I know y'all have seen that, and I have this wig on for more than 12 hours now. So with that being said, it's a go for me, so make sure you check the description box. And thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Again, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.